Hello, school representatives. Welcome to GIO. Today, we are going to learn how to register for the GIO, Global Innovator Olympiad. After opening the website, you will see a register or login button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this button. You will see two options, School and Student. Click on School. This will take you to the registration page, where you will see two options, Login and Sign Up. Since we are new, click on Sign Up. Next, enter the school name. Followed by the principal's name and the school's email address. Then, create a password and confirm it by re-entering it in the Confirm Your Password field. Finally, click on the Sign Up button. Your registration is now complete. After registration, you will see four sections: Verify Certificate, Profile Overview, Enrolled Students, and Batch Enrollment. In Verify Certificate, you can verify a student's certificate by entering the credential ID. In Profile Overview, you can view the number of students, practice tests completed, and final tests completed. In Batch Enrollment, you can add student data in an Excel format by either using the drag and drop method or selecting the file from your device. I will also show you a sample for this. If you face any difficulty while uploading, feel free to contact us. Once the Excel sheet is uploaded, all the data will appear in your school profile and the Enrolled Students section. In Enrolled Students, you can view all the details of students, such as their names, standards, test ranks, and credential IDs. You can filter the data according to your requirements and also check the ranking of each student as needed. For certificate verification, enter the credential ID in the Enter the Certificate number and click on Verify Certificate. You will then receive the student's certificate. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubts regarding this, feel free to contact us.